Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Amanda here. Once again, whenever I get an Amanda package, I'm super excited because the quality of their wigs are top tier. These are the stuff that I got in their lace tapes, a pair of lashes, a branded elastic headband, the wig itself, HD wig caps. Guys, let's get into this wig. This is their 28-inch pre-everything straight 13x6 HD laced front glueless wig. Okay, everything is pre-plucked, ready to go, pre-bleached. The construction of this wig is an absolute 10 out of 10. Okay, they added lace tapes at the sideburn portion, their adjustable straps in the back, and a drawstring. I love me a drawstring in a wig because this makes the wig 10 times more secure, especially when it's a glueless wig. I just adjusted that extra elastic band on the inside of the cap. It's a medium cap, by the way, and it's a 1B color for the hair. The hair is super luscious straight out of the packaging, and I must say I did not get a lot of shedding from this, like literally very minimal shedding. I did go ahead and remove the cover of the lace tape on the side, and that's what I used to keep the sideburn down, and just, you know, kept that in place for a minute or two to really let it melt in, and that was all it was to it. It's very secure, and I love the fact that they added extra lace tapes in the package, but as you can see, the lace looks pretty nicely camouflaged. All right, it is also not bulky and not too casty, so that's lovely. The wig is laying so nice and flat straight out of the package, but you guys know I'm still gonna go in with my hot comb and stuff to get it super precise and laid. If it comes this nice and flat straight out of the package, imagine when you style it, right? So that's exactly what we're getting into. Like, yes, I was feeling it. This is gonna be perfect for the holidays with the colder weather. Like, inches just make sense, and I was showing you guys that you could part it throughout the front there, mostly in the mid portion. That's where the 13x6 sizing really is. As you get down to the sides, it's not as deep, so it's one of those 13x6 lace front kind of constructions, but it's giving scalp. Okay, yeah, so if you want to switch the parting up, you can feel free to go ahead and do that. It's really nice to customize. It looks so natural. But right here, I just took my hot comb to just lay everything in place, and that's it.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
I got my hot my straightener, my hair straightener from Wavy Talk. So I was just going thoroughly through the wig. Yes, even though it's already so nice and straight, I want it to be super buttery. So I went through the entire wig with my flat iron, and let me tell you, it was already a 10, but now it's a 20. The hair is so easy to work with. It's stunning.
You got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So yeah, that's it. This is how it looks after I finish. It looks like silk. Amanda here, you did that, guys. I linked this in the description box, so if you want to go ahead and get this for yourself or somebody else, you know, as a gift, it's the holidays, that's where you can find it. If there's a discount code for this product here today, it will be listed. That's it for today's wig look. If you found this informative, if you like the wig, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, share this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for more looks. Can you believe that it has all these things going on for it, plus this glueless? Yeah man, it's a win.